Directly from our client relations team are the topics I'm going to be talking about today. And these are the questions that you are asking us when you call in for our free consultations. So we're getting a lot of questions about what is the difference between an inauthentic and a maybe inauthentic. So inauthentics are usually sparked by a consumer having an issue with your product, and Amazon then wants to see the invoices and the sourcing of where you obtain the products that you sold to one of what Amazon considers to be its consumers. Maybe inauthentic is usually solely as a result of Amazon looking into your products. Maybe Amazon has special deals with certain brands, but maybe inauthentic is slightly different. That comes almost exclusively from Amazon wanting to see where your products are coming from. So I know there's a fine line, there are differentiations, and everything Amazon does, seemingly they do it or it does it erratically. So if you receive an inauthentic listing suspension or an inauthentic account suspension, the plan of actions that we write that get you back on are different than the plans of action that we write for maybe inauthentic. And we are the best in the world, not because of me, although I think I'm pretty good. We are the best in the world because of this incredible team of professionals who do nothing but devote their professional lives to helping you, Amazon sellers. So you want to learn more? Go to our website, go to our YouTube channel, call me for a consultation, go to our website and submit your case 24/7. We are here to help you with all issues pertaining to success selling on Amazon.